Cali, damn, Cali.
One bad bitch, and she do what I say so. Two big 40s and a big ass Draco.